Littelfuse sealed inline ATO and mini fuse holders are the ultimate solution for automotive applications in challenging environments. These fuse holders are designed to facilitate easy installation of fusing outside of the cab, even in wet or dry conditions. Compatible with 1 to 30 amp ATO or 2 to 30 amp mini fuses, they feature twin 8-inch red GXL wire leads for convenient inline installation. The tinned copper wire construction ensures increased corrosion resistance without compromising performance. With an IP67 rating and sealed cover, these holders offer excellent moisture and dust resistance. With a 1 to 30 amp available fuse rating and a maximum voltage of 32 volts DC, these holders operate flawlessly in temperatures ranging from -40 to 85 degrees Celsius. Littelfuse sealed inline ATO and mini fuse holders are ideal for providing local circuit protection outside of the vehicle's cab or supporting external accessory lighting. Discover how to optimize your new product designs at Mouser.com.